Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to delete a TikTok account. First, open the TikTok application on your mobile device. Once you're in, go to your profile from the bottom right corner. Here, tap on Menu on your top right corner. Next, go to the Settings and Privacy. Then tap on Account. Here, the last option is to deactivate or delete account. Tap on it. Select the option to delete your account permanently. Now select the reason why you are leaving TikTok. After that, hit the Continue button. Again, select the Continue. Your TikTok account will be deleted permanently. Thank you for watching. Like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.